Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. So I am from SYSC University, Society of Software Engineers. So we are planning to start a new batch on SQL Server DBA, Advanced Performance Tuning and Query Optimization. So this batch is going to start from 20th June 2023 guys, which is from Tuesday, right? So this batch is going to start from 20th June 2023. So this is like completely advanced performance tuning guys, okay? In SQL Server, like we have advanced performance tuning, right? So SQL Server advanced performance tuning and query optimization. Okay, so classes will be on every Tuesday and Wednesday, guys. Every week, Tuesdays and Wednesdays, classes will be there. Weekly, twice classes will be there. Every Tuesday and Wednesday, classes will be there. Okay, and timings will be morning 6:30 a.m. IST to 8:30 a.m. IST. Okay, timings will be morning 6:30 to 8:30 guys, IST, Indian Standard Timing. So the duration will be approximately 30 hours. So 30 hours of training will be provided and a complete real-time setup with scenarios guys. So the trainer is going to explain you everything with the real-time setup and all, and he's going to show you using various scripts and all, script based things and all will be there. So he's going to explain everything with the real-time setup. So the mode of training will be English guys, English language, okay? And this will be an online course, and trainer profile is like trainer is having 10 plus years of IT experience, SqlDBA experience, and since 7 years he's in the teaching field guys. So who can learn this course? Anyone with SqlDBA knowledge, okay? For this SqlDBA knowledge is important guys, so you should have some SqlDBA knowledge so that you can easily understand the things. Anyone who are working as a SqlDBA and those who feel that you are missing something in the performance tuning, and if you are unable to fix performance related issues, if you want to tune the SQL Server, want to apply the best practices on the SQL servers, so for them this course is very useful guys. Okay, so you can learn this course if you're already working as a SqlDBA, and if you in case if you're not working but still if you have knowledge on the SqlDBA, you can learn this course guys. So I'm going to provide you the demo link and all in this video description, so you can go to our channel and you can open this SYSC University. There you can go to our channel guys. Okay, so SYSC University, there you can see advanced performance tuning playlist. Go to playlist section. So there you can see advanced performance tuning. You can see here, right? Playlist, advanced performance tuning. Total 11 videos are there. You can see here. So I'm going to post this link in the playlist in this video description, and then I'm also going to share the meeting link also. Okay, in the video description. You can attend the first 1-2 sessions later. Okay, you can plan if you are interested. You can plan guys. Okay, so classes will start from tomorrow onwards, right? So if you are interested, you can send an email to you can send WhatsApp message to 9902590140. Okay, so if you are interested, you can send WhatsApp message to 9902590140, and okay, or else if the number is not reachable, you can send an email to sourceuniversity@gmail.com guys. If you're interested, you can WhatsApp or you can call to this number, okay, 9902590140, and if I am unable to reach in the WhatsApp or call, you can send an email to sourceuniversity@gmail.com. Again guys, so we are going to start SqlDBA advanced performance tuning and query optimization training, and the new batch is going to start from 20th June, and the classes will be on every Tuesday and Wednesday morning 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST guys. Okay, thank you all.